We're so excited to be here for the 11th cardboard boat race. It's historically it's been the largest cardboard boat race in the Midwest. Our theme this year is superheroes.
When we thought superheroes, we thought what better than a group of guys that stand up for their country, lead their small island to Olympic prowess, and had a lot of fun building it.
We looked up online, healing property, superheroes. A ghost route would be fun. I work in the imaging department at the hospital. Skeleton, bones, healing. What more do you want? Spirit of Vengeance is the name of his bike. So the whole thing all goes together.
First one is the Kraken, which is the green boat representing the veterans. And then we have Misfit Toys 2 and Misfit Toys 1.
We've got Captain America's shield, we've got Thor's Stormbreaker, we've got Mjolnir, and of course, Iron Man's helmet.
Have fun, have a great day, and hopefully we win.
We're the defending champions. The goal is to win again. We're here to win.
Oh yeah.
We're here to win.
3 guys in the boat gives us a lot of power, a lot of weight to push other boats around.
Little teaser, it's not gonna sink. Justice!
Some boats are going to finish really fast. Some are going to sink very spectacular because they are made out of cardboard, duct tape, a lot of sweat and love. We have a lot of wonderful boats and a lot of people that have come out to support the community through United Way.
Come here all for the good of the whole entire community.
It's really a neat opportunity to see all the people they touch and all the good that they do, getting to work hand in hand with them side by side as they're right here in our building with us. So when we get to see a huge event like this right here on our company's property, and it just gets everybody so excited.
It allows us to support the United Way in a way that brings to the forefront that United Way is here to help people, helps raise money and get donations so that they can do that.
We want to get the company involved in charity, we want to reach out to our community, and I think this is a good way to do it and have some fun at the same time.
Partnering with United Way is really rewarding, and we get to help a lot of families in our community.
United Way is a great organization. They do so much for the community, and we, as the prosecutor's office, we love to support them.
Hopefully we can help them fundraise as much money as possible, because that's the ultimate goal, is to give back to the community and help out those in need.
They are in a superhero way helping people in need. Whether it's sleeping over a mound of cardboard, whether it's cutting through that duct tape to strap it together, and then they're leaping over obstacles to help their neighbors in need. So I think that's wonderful.
Spectacular sinking cardboard crusader race. A little bit of rubbing there at the beginning. Let's hear it for Thor. Look at that boat go. They have raised the most money today to help families in our community. A return champion